Now, for the first part of the lesson plan, it is called the behavioral objectives or the intended learning outcomes. It is the desired learning outcome that is to be accomplished in a particular learning episode, engaged in by the learners under the guidance of a teacher. So, behavioral objectives or the intended learning outcomes are like the goals for the students. They describe what the students should be able to do, to understand, or apply after a lesson or a unit. So, for example, instead of saying students will learn about plants, a behavioral objective might be the students will be able to identify the three parts of a plant, or this is more specific and measurable. Now, we should use the SMART objectives: the specific, measurable, the attainable, the relevant, and the time bound. So, for the content or subject matter, the content of the lesson or the unit is the topic or the subject matter that will be covered, meaning it is simply the topic you are teaching to your students. So, it is a topic or subject that you'll be covering in your lessons. So, for example, if you're teaching science unit on animals, the content might be different types of animals, maybe their habitats, or their food, or their survival. And the next one is the teaching and learning methods. The teaching methods are the broader techniques or used to help the students achieve learning outcome. So teaching methods are like the tools used to help the students learn. They are the ways you present information and activities for so that emo students will be engaged in your lessons. Traditional methods. So the traditional methods, the common one is the demonstration. The teacher shows a student how to do something and the students will follow. So next is the active learning methods. For example is the role playing. Students act out different rules or scenarios. Now, for example, the English from English story. So next is the cooperative learning. The students work together in small groups to achieve a common goal. And also the inquiry-based learning. So students investigate a topic or question through exploration and discovery. And also we also have the technology enhanced methods, our online learning, no, or the flipped learning. So students access course materials and interact with the instructors and classmates online. So for the last one, it will be discussed by Lizelle Cabajo.